Hello, how's everybody doing? This is going to be a very short video just to give you an idea of what we will be doing on our art journals. That will be minimum like the first Thursday of every month. So I know some of you have done this on a gesso board, but we're going to do it in acrylics. And all I need you to do is to take a sheet of 9 by 12 watercolor paper, right? You're going to fold it in half. So we're going to make kind of like a little book, right? And then I sent everybody the picture of this little flower. I want you to trace it on the right-hand side. This is for the class tomorrow, Thursday. What I want you to do is trace this on your watercolor paper. And then on the left-hand side, as we do the class, we'll be writing down the samples of how we mix the colors, what colors did we mix. So you're going to use your watercolor paints, and we're going to be working with blues and yellows. And if you have some brown and greens, if not, we'll make them ourselves. So this is your prep for tomorrow. If you have a Sharpie Ultra Fine, that would be great. But if not, don't worry about it. And number round, maybe a number 8 or number 6, whatever you have in your stash, okay? So we'll see tomorrow, everybody, for class. And then Saturday, we have another Zoom from 10 to 12 locally. But in Florida, you guys are 11 o'clock. And we're going to be doing this flower in watercolor paper. So I sent everybody the tracing. So I just want you to trace all of this into watercolor paper. And that's all you need to do. And again, big brush or number 8 or number 6. And this is what we're going to be working on Saturday morning. Enjoy the rest of your day and take care. Bye-bye.